Hello folks, welcome back to Martin's Adventures, and today we're here at Hard Rock Stadium where we're going to see our Miami Hurricanes versus the Stanford Cardinals. Here for an ACC matchup today. It is now an hour before kickoff, more or less, about 62 minutes here outside the stadium, so it's like 6 p.m. Kickoff is at 7. Looking around here where all the vendors were, the band of the hour was here playing until a few minutes ago, but I did not record it. You see 60 minutes for kickoff on the big LCD screen. That is the basketball team that was there signing autographs for the, promoting the basketball team. Here we can see a little close-up of them. They're all signing autographs for the fans. Now, as we continue walking into the stadium, we're gonna go get some food. But we're gonna stop out here in the store to see some. My wife is looking for some clothes, and I found this shirt here. It says "State Champ" since we beat the Seminoles, Gators, the Bulls, and Bethune-Cookman. So we are the state champs, and they have state champ shirts for $40 here. Where'd she go? Around. Now I am here inside the stadium. It's around like 40-something minutes before kickoff. 36, I think it says. Pretty empty. Most of the people are outside or in the concession areas of the stadium. These are players there. Some of them are already there practicing prior to kickoff. Take a quick walk to go get some tacos. My wife wanted some tacos from here from Talking Tacos stand here, and the reason she likes them here better than the other concessions is that they make them right there in front of you. Takes a little bit long, but they make the food, the tacos right there, the tortillas and everything, they make them right in front of you, so they're very fresh. So here you see what we got, and then I went and got some nachos and cheese with a lot of extra cheese, and as soon as I sat down right here, like a minute after this picture, I spilled it all over the lady next to me. It was embarrassing. I had to go get napkins and everything. I'm in a mess. And here come our Hurricanes. They're going to come out now. Sitting in the club section. So it's like the middle section here of the stadium. And here come the Hurricanes coming out. So folks, the coin toss is taking place there in the 50-yard line. Today the Hurricanes are going to be wearing camouflage jerseys and olive green pants in honor of military personnel and veterans. At the end of the first quarter, Stanford is winning 7-0 over Miami. Touchdown Miami. The game is now tied. Go Hurricanes.
Buckness and Diversity Awards in a single season. He was an All-American linebacker. It is in the College Football Hall of Fame. Please welcome Dan Morgan. Please join me in congratulating the class of 2025 that includes Andre Johnson, Brian McKinney, and Dan Morgan. How about a round of applause?
Welcome to another Hurricane Halftime. Congratulations to our Ring of Honor members. And tonight, the promote is proud to present the music of another member of the honorary class. One of the biggest pop superstars of all time. This is the music of Lady Gaga. First up, he's taking back to Gaga's iconic collaboration with Beyonce. This is Telephone.
Touchdown Miami. 35-7 now the score here in the fourth quarter. So folks, with 31 seconds left, Miami's there about to score another touchdown. Most of the fans have left already because it's been pouring rain almost the whole fourth quarter. You can't really tell here with the lights in the stadium, but it's actually pouring rain. That's why you see most of the lower level completely empty. Most of the people have gone into the concession stands area because they're getting soaked.
Your final score once again, your Miami Hurricanes 32, the Stanford Cardinals 7. We thank you for joining us here this evening at the Hard Rock Stadium.
So that's it here from the Hard Rock Stadium, where the University of Miami won 42-7. It was only 7-7 tied at halftime, and UM came up super strong in the second half to win the game. Here you see on the big scoreboard outside, trying to sell basketball tickets for the men's and women's basketball teams. See you on the next one, folks. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.